Okay, hey Farouk. Maybe first introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit, or tell us a little bit about what you're doing, your name, and what you're working, and where you're from.
Sure. My name is Farooq, and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. And I have been recently working as a backend developer, as a senior backend developer in one of the very famous companies in Lahore for around 3.5 years. And my main technology stack is .NET and C Sharp and SQL Server databases, and I have some experience in cloud technologies as well.
Okay, great. Farouk, let's talk a bit about your motivation on why did you decide to look for jobs in Germany? Why did you decide to apply for jobs in Germany? What was your motivation?
So, as you already know, that Germany is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and being a software developer, I have this opportunity to to be able to work in many of the countries in the world. So the reason was to get a chance to travel to Germany, as well as find a good opportunity over there.
Okay, cool. And when did you decide to, okay, now it's time for you to take the next steps. When did you decide to apply for jobs in Germany?
I have been applying to different jobs on and off in other parts of Europe as well for around 2 years. But unfortunately, that didn't work out very well. I didn't get a lot of calls by HRs or interviews. So yeah, I would say at least I would have applied around 100 applications in different companies.
Okay.
But unfortunately, that didn't work out.
And how many interviews did you get from those 100 applications?
I would say hardly 2 to 3
Okay.
tests, coding tests, and interviews.
Okay. And did they proceed, or did you just get to the first stage? What was the process there?
Basically, I didn't get a chance to be appear in an interview. I just got a few coding challenges, and unfortunately, I couldn't make it to the next level.
Okay, cool. And tell me, how did you find out about us, about Find a Job in Germany, and what did you made you decide to join our coaching program?
Basically, one of your representatives reached out to me over LinkedIn, and I was not sure if this is gonna work out. But since I have been already been trying for last couple of years, I thought, okay, let's give it a chance. And in the beginning, I was a bit confused that it might be a scam or something like that, and result as a total waste of time. But uh, in the beginning, we had a few sessions that basically boosted my confidence, and get to conclude that okay, this is a real company and they are actually helping people finding opportunities in Germany. And from there onwards, I think it has been a great experience so far.
Okay. How do you remember how the process was? Like you were contacted, and what happened next before you sign up?
Yeah, basically, when I was contacted, I was given a few details how the company works and how much time it takes on average. And then we got some scheduled calls with each other, getting to know. I was able to, ask questions and get to know how you guys get this done. And I was also able to express what I have been doing during the past few years and what kind of jobs I will be interested in. And then basically I got this very detailed plan from you guys, that what I should do with my CV, what I should do with my LinkedIn profile, how should I reach out to different companies, how should I write my cover letter, and uh, things like that.
And what exactly like made you decide to sign up to the coaching program in the end?
So basically, it was after the first few sessions that I had, when I was told that okay, these are the things that you have been doing wrong, and I realized that that was correct. And then you guys basically provided me with the information that if you do these things, that will improve your chances to get to get interview calls and then proceed further. So that basically boosted my confidence.
Okay, cool. And what was your biggest fear before joining our coaching?
The main thing was that it might be a scam, and it could result in a waste of money and the time. But
Okay.
as I mentioned earlier, after a few sessions, that fear went away, and I got an idea that okay, they know what they are doing, and they have done it many times before with other candidates as well.
Okay. And when did you sign up exactly? When was it? Was it January, I guess, something, yeah?
Yeah, I do not remember exactly, but I guess it was somewhere in January or December, maybe.
So January 2021, right? And what did we
Sorry?
do with you January 2021, like January this year? And what did we do
Yeah.
with you when after you signed up? Do you remember what were the first steps?
Yeah. So we started off with a few very basic things. We a review of the CV. Basically, there were multiple reviews, and I was asked to update the CV according to the German format, and how basically the HR recruiters over there uh, want a CV to be. So there were multiple sessions, after which I got a final version of my CV, which was much better than the first version that I had. And then they also provided me with a video course that I went through, and basically I learned a lot in that course. That is basically one of the best resources one could find online. And after that, I was also given an overview of what I should do with my LinkedIn profile. And along with that, you guys also provided me with a list of job matching platforms. And fortunately, one of those platforms proved to be successful in my case. And yes, there was also these guidelines on whenever you apply for a job, how you should customize your CV, how you should write the cover letter, and specifically how you should relate, how you should relate your skills and experience with what is required in the job description.
Perfect. And when did you like? What happens next? You signed up in January. We started working, and I remember in your case, it took some time until we got the first interview, right? It took 2 months or something. It was quite.
Yeah, I think it got almost 3 to 4 months before I could get my first interview, and the reason behind that, I believe, is that we were neglecting some of my skills that we could have mentioned earlier in the CV, and we could have applied for jobs related to that as well. So otherwise, I think we could have done that much earlier, maybe in 1 or 2 months.
Sure. And when did you what? But then when did you sign your working contract? How many interviews did you had, and when did you sign your contract?
So basically, the first interview was just an HR call with some general questions, and then this sent me this coding assignment that I completed in around within 1 week. And after that coding assignment, there was a series of interviews. First with some senior backend developer, and then with this senior front-end developer, and at last I had this interview with the CTO of the company. And after that, they sent me the job offer. And now it's been around 20 days since I have signed my working contract, and I will be starting working from the 15th of June.
Okay, cool. So you got your offer somewhere in May. So I would
Yeah.
say, all in all, the whole process from you signing up with us until you received your contract with a working contract with the company in Germany took around 5 months, right?
Yeah, around 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months. Cool. And yeah, how do you feel about that?
I think it is great, and I am very happy. And I think if I would have gone on my own, and I might have been making the same mistakes over and over, and without even knowing it, and that might have not worked out as soon as it did with you guys. So I'm pretty happy.
Cool. So do you think you would have landed this opportunity even without our support?
That would have been very difficult in that case. I would say there would have been only 10 to 15% chances if it was without you guys.
Okay, perfect. And last but not least, you already mentioned it, but what were your key learnings? You said the same, make the same mistakes again and again. What were your key learnings? What advice would you give to other people looking for jobs, or software developers, international software developers looking for jobs in Germany? What would be your advice?
Yeah. So when I was doing it on my own, what my target was, I was always, trying to look for more big companies or more famous companies in the Germany already. But the main thing is, since I'm not a German speaker, so most of those companies will not even consider candidates, no matter how skilled they are or how many they are. So that was the first one of the biggest mistakes. So what we did is to rectify this problem was to try to target the companies which fall within startup category or which fall into small to mid-level enterprises, since they have less budget in terms of offerings. So basically, they are okay even if somebody is speak Germany, but if they are available on working maybe on budget. So I think in the start, if you are a non-German speaker or if you do not know German at all, I would say that target startups or small companies in the beginning at least. And when you have worked with them for maybe a couple of years and you have learned some German, then it is a very good time to target those big companies and big names.
Okay, cool. Thanks for that advice. I hope our viewers will appreciate that. And tell me, like last but not least, what is the process now for you? What are the next steps? You mentioned you're going to start working in 2 weeks for the new company.
Yeah.
So what is the process for you?
Yeah, that's right. So for the first three and a half months, I will be working remotely, and meanwhile, this visa process will be going on, and hopefully, I will be getting my visa in the beginning of October somewhere. And as soon as I get my visa, I will be traveling to Germany, relocating over there, and then working from there.
Cool. Thank you, Farouk. Is there anything left you would like to share with us?
Yeah, just one more advice that I would want to provide is that whenever you are applying for different jobs, is a tendency to apply with the same CV and same cover letter, because you can apply for like 20 jobs in let's say 5 minutes, but unfortunately that doesn't seems to be very effective. Instead, what you should do is even you can go with fewer number of applications, but you should make sure that your CV and your cover letter is customized as per the description of that job. That will really improve your chances to get calls and interviews from the recruiters.
Thank you. Thanks, Farouk. Yeah, I have nothing left to say. Many thanks again. It was a pleasure working for you, and we still are. We're still helping you with the contract. We're settling here in Germany, and if
Yeah.
you have questions and so on, so we will still be in contact. But for now, all the best. Have a great start with your new company, and
Sure.
speak to you soon.
Yep, sure. Thank you so much, Tamo, and it was really nice working with you guys. It was a great experience, and very, very thanks for your helpful guidance and information.